Hello, this is Roji and I am here to tell you about Python. So firstly we will discuss about Python. What is Python? That was created by Guido von Rossum and that was first released in 1991. Python that is easy to read and the code is simple to type rather than the other programming language. Application domains of Python. We can use Python in almost every field nowadays, like web development, game designing, machine learning, data science, data visualization, image processing, or we are using which apps we are using in our day to day scenario like YouTube, Netflix, all these are using Python in the background. Now, what is Python IDLE? IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment, that is a comprehensive software that contains the tool to write, compile, debug the code and display the output. The IDE which is used for Python is known as IDLE, which stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Now, Python shell, after clicking or double clicking on the icon which is available on the desktop, we will get Python shell. Python shell has two user interface, interactive mode and script mode. In interactive mode, we can type the command and get the response immediately, get the output immediately. But in this mode, we can't save the program for future use. In script mode, we can type we can type the Python code as a program and we can save it for the future reference. Now, how to create, save and execute a Python script? Firstly, to write a Python script, firstly click on File, then New File option. There you will find a blank window. There you have to type your Python code. After typing the Python code, you have to save a Python script by .py extension. For that, click on File menu and then Save option. And after that, for the output, run the Python script. And for that, click on the Run and then Run module option or press F5. Now, what are the commands which we are using in Python? There are basically three commands which we are using in Python. First one is your print. That print command in the Python script window, that is used for that. And we have to write the command in double quotes for the printing. Second one is your input. This command is used to take in a value from the user side and this value is called a variable. And the third one is your concatenation, combining a string, text or the other data in a series without any gap is known as concatenation. Now, what are the data types in Python? There are basically four data types in Python which we are using. First, string, that is a series of characters. They can be numbers, alphabets, symbols or a combination of all three. And the string content has to be written in the double quotes or single quotes. Without double quote, it will be considered as the integer. Second, in integer, it refers to positive or negative whole numbers. Third, float, it is used to represent numbers with decimal points. And last, boolean,